Let's back up a step. You mentioned that your mom got in the business years ago. Then you sort of joined the business and you brought all this energy with respect to the commercial accounts and delivery. But what about your background? I think you said you left the corporate world. You're tired of being behind a desk. I need to know more about that.
Yeah, you know, it's funny, when my mom retired, she bought this laundry. And for me, I never could understand why she did it, but I obviously now know. She's been in this community for 10 years now. I mean, it is a community. People come in here every single day. We communicate with them. We see their families. They come in and out. It's a relationship business. I really liked that when realizing that I don't need to work for somebody. I want to work for myself and you know, build my own business. But what's great about it is that it wasn't my background, but I find using all the skills that I knew growing up, you know, in business, it's all about people, and it's really about the community, and that's why we're still here.
What are some of those other corporate lessons that you've applied here?
Well, it's a lot of teamwork. A lot of teamwork. I mean, our staff here is the best. We've had the same staff for 8-10 years. These are quality relationships that we have with these staff, and they're the backbone of the place. I mean, they do everything for us. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. every single day. You know, we're all on group chat, constantly communicating, and communication is key to anything that's going on here. That's the biggest lesson. It's a lot of communicating.
Well, one thing that's also clear to me is that you've brought forward from your corporate career some of that marketing knowledge, and so we're at the Southdale Laundromat.
Yes.
But that's not the name of your commercial and residential service. So tell us what that brand is and why maybe you decided to take that approach with two different brands.
So First Class Laundry Services is really that extension of the laundry, I guess you want to call it, because what we do is we do pickup and delivery and the commercial accounts. So we do have some partnerships here at Southdale that we do the aquarium. They do all their maintenance on like their staff. So we do a lot of their laundry, but we also have a dry cleaner who brings their wash, dry, fold customers because they don't have a washers and dryers. They bring their customers stuff here to wash, dry, fold. So, but I really have made sure that First Class Laundry Services is catered to small businesses. We do residential as well. We actually do the camp trunks for sleepaway camp kids who, when they come home from the summer, they're all the big duffel bags that come back. We do all the laundry for those kids. That's a hit. And that's where I know First Class Laundry Services has taken it to the next level, doing that for people.
And that's a trend that we're seeing with our members, where the laundromat itself for self-service has a brand, but then there's a customer-facing brand that's going out there to the homeowners for residential, to the small businesses. And frankly, in some markets, maybe there's still a little stigma attached to the laundromat part, so maybe they don't want to.
That's funny you say that, because I do feel that way. Because the residential people that want their stuff picked up and delivered, not to say they don't know where it's going, but they know that it's going to be laundered and come back, but they don't want to go in.
Right. When did Mom buy this, and then when did you come on
2015,
board? Okay.
She bought it. I came in 23.
Wow.
In that time, we've done a lot.
Essentially taking it from zero to be a packed store now.